Boy, you had it from the start. Played the game, you played your part. Heavy hearts and cautious dreams.
What's up YouTube? It's been a while. Sorry I haven't vlogged in a while. Me and Ozzy is this morning on our way to, what's it called? Cradlestone.
Yeah, Virgin Active, Cradlestone.
I'm doing a video shoot this morning with FitChef, so we'll see how that goes. Quite excited. I signed with him like 2 weeks ago, and yeah, but we're a bit behind schedule, so we're busy speeding. No, we're not speeding, speed kills.
We're busy pushing to get there on time. Tell us more about FitChef, Legs. What is it?
Well, FitChef is basically a food company, and they prepare ready-made meals, smoothies and shakes for people wanting to lose weight and just healthy lifestyle, and just the fitness industry in general. So be sure to check them out.
Heads and clouds to make believe. Boy, you had it from the start. Have my head, you have my heart. All you're looking for is me.
Just got to Virgin Active in Cradlestone. Met up with Mike. We're about to get some shooting done.
Can you tell them what you need? Just who you are. Hold my hand, don't go too far. All you're looking for is me. Can you tell them what you need? What you need? Tell them what you need.
So Mike absolutely destroyed me. We're done with the gym shots and stuff now. So now we're going to the interview part of things.
We go see the children. What a beast to the gym.
Oh, thanks. On our way to the Botanical Gardens, where we're about to do the interview scene. So we're just following Mike there, since Joburg isn't really our turf, eh?
Hey, Brew.
Hey, Brew. We're not from Joburg, but some nice scenery here.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love. Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream.
Okay, so let's fly in here. Okay, so found this palm tree. Best place for outro. Done with the FitChef video shoot. Thanks to Mike.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette, like she drove right out of a magazine.